So last question, give us 3 tips for our audience in general, whether crypto tips, trading tips, life tips, 3 tips.
Right. I think habit is pretty important in trading. Like, you got to understand what you're good at. There are a lot of ways to make money, but I like to trade short term. But when the account gets big enough, my psychology goes whack. So I've witnessed that, and it's really important to understand how your psychology is to help you. Like, if you prefer to hold stuff long term and you can withstand kind of drawdowns, then you should hold long term. But if you like to get in and out daily, you should do that. There's nothing wrong with that. You got to understand what you're good at. And maybe this cycle around, don't chase pumps, because right now we're in alt season, right? So you'll make money, no problem. But if that becomes a habit, you're going to lose all of that. So at least have a strategy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Principle that you follow. That's pretty much it.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, so I think those tips definitely are on point, right? We're in alt season. For those who've been around since the last alt season, don't forget, all the money you made, but also all the L's you took, and make sure not to repeat the L's you took, right? So don't get greedy. If anything, the time to get involved into crypto or to buy a position, for those who are long-term holders, was probably months before or even a year before, right? Because now we're basically getting into this FOMO. I would say FOMO frenzy, where the market is frothy. So definitely be careful. Don't buy the top, right? So definitely, if you do plan to get into something now, definitely do the TA, the technical analysis, to make sure you're getting in at a good entry, even if you're doing dollar cost averaging, right? So for example, last night I bought some Matic, but that's because Token Metrics was bullish on it as well, right? So that was kind of my reason to say, okay, you know what? Let me get into Matic now, because it was kind of undervalued. All right, but definitely a great show. Definitely very great insights with TikTok, with Dogecoin and everything, and crypto.